how many points do the graphs of the equation intersect? Okay, ito yung equation. So, let's find now. Okay, y is equal to 18. I-substitute mo itong 18 sa y. So, this is 18 equal negative 3x minus 18 square plus 15. Okay? Ito ilalagay mo sa left side. So, that is 18 minus 15 equals to 3. Kaya 3 is equal to negative 3x minus 18 square. Okay? Tapos, divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. So, this is negative 1 is x minus 18 square. Okay? Ito negative 1. Ito, the square, palagi siyang positive. Kaya ito, ang square nito, palagi hindi siya pwede maging negative. Kaya itong equation na ito has no real solution. That means the graph don't intersect at any point. Kaya yung answer mo, letter D. Meaning, letter D is 0. This is the answer.